Here's a little trick when you want a function to return a Boolean, a true or false value. You can see in this function, we're checking if A is less than B, and if so, we return true, else we return false. You may remember from before that all comparison operators return a Boolean true or false value. So instead of using this if statement here, we can just do that. We can actually delete all of this and just return the result of this. We're just returning the result of A is less than B. So this is going to be true or false, and we can just skip that whole if statement logic and just return this. So if we console.log this out, console.log, we should be able to see if 10 is less than 15. 10 is less than 15, it's true. But if we put a 20 here, then it's false. We've already seen a few examples of this, but you can return early from a function with the return statement. So if you see this function right here, we return at the very end of the function, and so it leaves the function and returns this value from the function. But you can leave the function anytime with a return statement. So we're going to modify this function so that if A or B are less than 0, the function will immediately exit with a value of undefined. So let's do that. We're going to set an if statement. If A is less than 0, or that's two pipes, B is less than 0, then we're going to return undefined. So we can do a test here, console.log 8, but what if this is a negative number? It's going to return undefined. Scrimba has a little quirk here where it just shows null, but in a browser it will show undefined.